Who built the box? This looks really good.
You've been in it before. At the one in Savannah. It was a guy in Jessup.
Okay.
The only thing I've done now is I put 4 EVOs, but I need to get two more amps.
So, could you tell me, like I don't know, your name and what's in here, man?
Name's Zach Smith, and I got 4 EVO 10s on 2 RP 2Ks.
Nice. Looks really clean. You don't have any wire showing. Wow.
It's all behind this.
There you go. And are these at 1 ohm, the amps?
Yes, they are.
Okay. Do you know the tuning on your box?
35.
35 hertz. Okay. There's your ports down there too. I see them. Okay.
SVK 3500s.
Oh, you think? I was gonna say you upgraded your motor force of your sub, so you think you might have? Oh,
yeah.
That would be a lot more pressure.
Yeah.
Do you have the? What size alternator is there?
Stock.
Oh, you might have to upgrade
battery,
that
stock
then.
alt.
Yeah.
And then I got an extra battery in here.
There you go. Very nice. Looks really good.
Thank you.
So you want to go to 2 3500s? You think?
Maybe.
That's a lot more power.
Yeah.
You might blow something.
Yeah. I already broke the windshield.
Oh man.
It was like what was it, 99 out? Yeah, 99 out. We were riding it. And it was like this. And this thing is stiff too. You can feel
it moves a lot. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
What was your name?
Zach Smith.
Zach. Thanks, Zach. Is there a way I could take a picture real quick? Is the side door open too?
Yeah, they both open.
Oh, there it is. Could you play one more song with some flex, maybe? I can get some sub flex on this. Oh, this looks really good.
I should have cleaned it.
It's all right. You got a little dust on the top, that's all.